Welcome to Alien Fresh Jerky. Alien Fresh Jerky is located in the city of Baker, California, home to the world's largest thermometer. And it's also about 90 miles away from the Las Vegas Strip. Alien Fresh Jerky was founded in the year 2000, but it was originally at Crystal Springs, Nevada. The store later moved in 2002 to Baker, California, where it still stands today. The store in Baker has grown from about 500 square feet to a whopping 4,800 square feet. Alien Fresh Jerky was established to provide a healthier snack alternatives for the road. These snacks include beef jerky, nuts, trail mixes, dried fruits, stuffed olives, and honey. It also has many other items, as you can see, with different souvenirs, all with a theme of aliens.
I love my Alien Fresh Jerky. Teriyaki, pepper and sweet spicy is the best.
Toward the back of the store, you will find a food stand featuring pretzels and ice cream and other snacks. And behind that, it appears that they are looking to expand and make a hotel. So this little souvenir shop has really expanded. Let's see how it goes in the near future.